If you're looking for historical K-dramas packed with action, then you're in the right place. I'm talking about epic sword fights, war, betrayal, political chaos, and characters you'll never forget. I've ranked 15 of the best historical action K-dramas that deserve a spot on your watch list right now. Before we get started, kindly subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more K-drama recommendations. Number 15. The Murky Stream. Starting our list at number 15 is a gritty action K-drama that ditches the pristine palace walls for the lawless and mud-soaked docks of 1592 Joseon. The Murky Stream follows Seal, played by Ro-won, in a rugged and physically transformative role as a desperate laborer with a dark past who is forced to join a brutal group of fairy bandits to survive. What makes this show a must-watch for action fans is its raw, brutal, and face-to-face fighting style. There are no flashy, magical sword movements here. It's a dirty and high-stakes struggle for survival using axes, sickles, hammers, and bare knuckles. Number 14. Tree with Deep Roots. At number 14, we have a phenomenal blend of historical conspiracy, martial arts mystery, and intense revenge. Tree with Deep Roots stars Jang Hyuk as a royal guard driven by a single burning desire to assassinate the king. But as he investigates a string of mysterious murders within the palace, he uncovers a massive shadow-dwelling secret society. The action here centers on stealth, high-stakes assassinations, and unique, localized martial art styles. The choreography leans heavily into lethal precision, shadowy figures leaping across tiled roofs, silent throat slits, and lightning-fast blade work. The tension is constantly dialed up to a 10, making every single clash feel incredibly dangerous. Number 13. Korea-Kiten War. If your idea of peak action involves massive military strategy, thousands of soldiers clashing on screen, and epic historical warfare, Korea-Kiten War is your holy grail. This drama brings to life the brutal conflict between the Goryeo dynasty and the invading Kiten Empire. The scale of the action here is jaw-dropping. You get full-scale historical military sieges, devastating cavalry charges, and intense tactical warfare where every decision means life or death for an entire nation. The battle choreography feels incredibly authentic, showing the sheer chaos of ancient shield walls, flaming arrows rain, and bloody hand-to-hand combat on the front lines. It is a masterpiece for fans of pure military epic action. Number 12. Alchemy of Souls. Taking the number 12 spot is a stunning fusion of historical fantasy and high-flying martial arts. Alchemy of Souls tells the story of Naksu, an elite shadow-dwelling assassin whose soul becomes trapped inside the physically weak body of a servant, played by Young So-min, who then ends up training a young nobleman played by Lee Jae-wook. The action in this drama is an absolute visual spectacle. It perfectly blends traditional Korean swordplay with explosive elemental magic choreography. You get gravity-defying duel sequences, energy-infused blade clashes, and stunning spellcasting that seamlessly integrates into fluid martial arts movements. The pacing is incredibly fast, and the visual effects make every single fight scene look like a multi-million-dollar blockbuster. Number 11. Goof Family Book. At number 11, we're stepping into the world of legendary creatures and superhuman combat. Goof Family Book stars Lee Seung-ji as Choi Kong-chi, a half-human and half-mythical Gumaho creature who discovers his true identity while fighting a ruthless and corrupt warlord to protect the woman he loves. Because the main character possesses beast-like strength, the action in this drama is uniquely fast, aggressive, and incredibly powerful. Kangchi tears through legions of sword-wielding soldiers with his bare claws, superhuman speed, and raw fury. Combined with exceptional traditional sword fighting from the supporting cast, the combat sequences are a thrilling mix of martial arts and supernatural power trips. Number 10. River Where the Moon Rises. Cracking the top 10 is River Where the Moon Rises, a drama that delivered one of the fiercest warrior princesses in K-drama history. Kim So-hyun stars as Princess Pyongyang, a royal who was raised from childhood as an elite ruthless assassin named Yeong Ga-jin. She fights a bloody war to reclaim her rightful place on the throne while dealing with a peace-loving villager who takes up the sword just to keep her safe. The action in this drama is relentless. Right from the opening episodes, you are treated to brutal battlefield skirmishes and stealthy assassin ambushes. The swordplay is exceptionally fluid, and watching a female lead effortlessly cut down waves of enemy soldiers with absolute precision and cold-blooded focus is incredibly satisfying. It's a gripping, action-heavy epic from start to finish. Number 9. The Joseon Gunman. At number 9, we have a brilliant concept that completely flips the traditional historical genre on its head. The Joseon Gunman stars Lee Joon-ji as Park Yoon-kong, the son of the country's greatest swordsman. After his father is executed and his sister is enslaved by a corrupt political faction using Western firearms, Yoon-kong ditches his traditional sword, picks up a high-powered rifle, and returns to exact absolute bloody vengeance. This drama offers an incredible and unique blend of action. It creates an intense tactical dynamic by pitting the legendary traditional blade work of ancient guards directly against the devastating, long-range power of modern gunpowder. The chase scenes through dense forests, sniper standoffs, and close-quarters shootouts make this a thrilling watch for action enthusiasts. Number 8. Rebel, Thief Who Stole the People. Taking the number 8 spot is a heavy-hitting and revolutionary action masterpiece. Rebel Thief Who Stole the People follows the legendary folk hero Hong Gil-dong, played by Yoon Kyun-sang, who is born with supernatural physical strength. He utilizes